Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to talk to you about VeChain, some massive updates in the VeChain space right now. So if you're a fan of VeChain, make sure you smash the like on the video because the more people that like the video, the more this video goes out to new investors which could potentially invest into VeChain, okay? So let's start off with a little update on VeChain and then we're gonna go into the charts and look at this from a technical analysis standpoint, look at how high this asset could be going in the coming weeks and months or so. Now, VeChain is a layer 1 blockchain that is built for sustainability. It's one of the most powerful layer 1 blockchains in the space right now. EVM compatible, low cost, super efficient, super fast, and overall, for me, it's got one of the highest amount of sponsors and partnerships currently in the space right now. You can see that they're obviously massive partners with the UFC, with Power Slap, with Dana White, who's now joined the board. So yeah, overall, the media coverage here is absolutely huge. I mean, in comparison to other layer 1 blockchains in the space. Why is this important? It's important because we need to onboard users into the crypto universe, right, from Web 2 to Web 3. It's super important that VeChain is doing this from a mainstream sporting perspective, okay? Hence the UFC. Okay, so it's a very, very important blockchain from that point of view, and also it specializes in RWAs, so real world assets, and hosting that stuff on its layer 1 blockchain as well. So there's many, many cool things about it, and yeah, it's definitely one that you guys should definitely be viewing here. Now, in terms of the news and what's been happening with VeChain here, they've actually got a new update coming. Okay, the update that is coming right now, it is actually called the Stargate upgrade. Okay, the Stargate upgrade is basically help out and sort of reward the VeChain holders for basically supporting the project. Okay, this is basically a new way to reward node holders and basically help the VeChain token holders to earn passive income through supporting the project. Okay, so the first, basically Stargate staking transforms passive VET token holdings into an active earning model. Okay, actively staking is mandatory for this, but you basically can potentially earn 5x on your investment here just by basically staking your VeChain. So yeah, very, very interesting concept here, and this is obviously going to be a very attractive way for VeChain holders to be essentially holding on to their tokens and not selling them. Okay, so it helps in terms of supporting the chart, and also it helps in terms of rewarding the community for supporting the project, which again is bullish. So well done to everyone who is a VeChain supporter. You can actually start earning a lot more for being part of the project very, very soon. Another thing that these guys have been talking about very recently, we all know VeBetter. It's basically the sustainability side of VeChain, and basically if you're doing something sustainable, you can basically get it verified through VeChain, and they will actually reward you for doing this in VET, essentially. Okay, so you can earn VeChain, you can earn VET by being a sustainable business or a sustainable person or whatever, right? Now, right now, VeBetter, which is sort of is the arm that VeChain that is the sustainability arm for VeChain, and you can see they've actually crossed 1 million users here, which is something that I didn't think that would happen, especially in this market right now. And also, developers in the space may actually now apply for grants of up to $50,000 because VeChain is here 5.5 million tons of carbon emissions on chain, recorded and rewarded. Okay, so very, very interesting to see these updates here for VeChain. But as promised, without further ado, let's get straight into this chart and let's look at how and where we can make some money trading VeChain and where this thing could be going in the future. So right now, of course, you can see a very blatant trend line here from this top side around 7-8 cents down to where it currently is now around 1.8, something along the lines of that. It's been a pretty big bloodbath in the last basically month or so. We did see some upside from April to May, and it was quite nice, but basically straight up V-shaped recovery here. Absolutely terrible for this asset, unfortunately. It's the rest of the market's fallen off a cliff as well, just due to Bitcoin and obviously wars and stuff like that. So it's completely natural for this to happen. The real reason, well, not the real reason I'm doing the video, but a reason I'm doing the video here today, guys, is just to remind you that this is a very, very low price for VeChain. Okay, this is a very, very big opportunity to be getting involved with it. If you look at market caps at $1.69 billion, even if you look like basically a month ago, it was at $2.5 billion. Okay, if you look at 1 year ago, basically like it's stupidly underpriced right now. It was at a high of $6 billion market cap, currently around a 1.69. If you look at the price here from these areas, it's just absolutely ridiculous. Back in 2021, it was literally 22 cents. It's not even 2 cents right now, okay? So this massive pump here, basically at the end of 2024, is nothing in comparison to what happened in 2021. And basically meaning that there's a lot more growth to be had here for VeChain. So buying this asset at these super low levels will basically ensure massive, massive, massive profit. If you were to buy this at this area, just with some spare change lying around, and it did eventually get back to its all-time high, which is 22 cents here, 23 cents, sorry, we will actually do a price range from that all the way up to that 23 cents, and you will basically see how much money you could potentially be making here just simply getting involved and holding it. It's over 1,000% on your investment from this area. That's an 11x for VeChain, guys. That is completely possible. Okay, it's completely possible for that to happen. It might be slightly under that just due to market cap and supply being distributed over periods of time. And what I mean by that is at $5 billion market cap, it was actually at $15 billion. No, it's roughly the same. Yeah, it is roughly the same. Yeah, so it would actually be accurate there because all the supply is distributed. But yeah, there's a massive opportunity right now. This is the perfect level to be getting involved with VeChain. For a price prediction over the next coming months, I don't see us sticking down around these areas for much longer. I really don't. Obviously, it depends on the fundamentals of the war and stuff like that, but I would expect to easily claim this level very soon at around 3.3 cents. And even if you get involved with it now, you're still going to be making literally like 70% on your investment here, basically getting to that high that we were literally in May, a couple of months ago, guys. So super, super achievable as well. And if you put in, say, 10 grand, you're going to be making literally like $7,000 from this level up to that level, which is, again, super, super achievable. Anyway, that is going to be it for me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you did. I'm super intrigued to hear your opinions. And of course, as always, if you like VeChain, drop a little like on the video. It does help us out tremendously in terms of channel growth. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.